How to update Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find it useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your taskbar at the bottom here, then right click on your Windows icon, then go to settings. Then settings will launch. So you will come here to update and security, click on it. Then on your left, you are going to see options. So the first option, Windows Update, you are going to click on it. Then it will land you here, Windows Update. So you need to check for updates. Click on that button. Then it is going to check for updates for your apps and for your Windows. So you're going to give it time for it to check for these updates. Then as you can see, it will download the updates. Then after downloading the updates, it will install, as you can see here. So this is a security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus. So as you can see, you are up to date. So that's really it, guys. That's how to update Windows 11. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.